Hi dear children, welcome to our GK class. I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you close your eyes and start praying to thank God to give this wonderful opportunity for learning. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amridam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay children, our today's topic natural calamities. So natural calamities or natural disaster means a sudden event caused by the natural environmental factors. So in our previous classes we already seen some of the natural calamities and their effects. This class we are going to discuss about some other natural calamities and their effects and causes. Okay children? So the first one, sandstorm. Sandstorm means the strong winds in the deserts lift the top layers of the sand and push it in every possible direction. This is called sandstorm. Sandstorm can develop very quickly with little warming. So sandstorms are violent windstorm that will occur often in the desert area. So what are the causes of sandstorm? The main cause of sandstorm is wind. So because of the pressure of the wind only, the sandstorm will occur. Also, the lack of vegetation and absence of rainfall also causes the sandstorm. So where do sandstorm occur? Mostly find them in dry and hot desert region across the world. For example, Sahara Desert. So mostly arise during hot and summer season, sometimes occur in spring too in US. So what happened during the sandstorm? The wind can take sand and dust along for thousands of kilometers. So it's look like a wall of sand. So sometimes they can be so big and thick so that we cannot see the sun for the day. So most sandstorm does not long last and leave as suddenly as they arrived. So it lasts only for few minutes. So the height of the wind speed is 10 to 50 feet and 100 km wide, and it attains wind speed 25 miles per hour, that means 40 kilometers. The size of the sandstorm is depend upon the wind strength. So how dangerous is sandstorm and what are the effects of sandstorm? It will pollute the air. So it gives poor air quality and it will cause us breathing difficulties. So the sand and dust can get into the eyes, mouth, nose and lungs, which can cause us breathing difficulties and infections, as well as it increasing the asthma, respiratory diseases. So it reduces land quality. So that means they remove organic matters and nutrition rich particle, thereby reducing agriculture productivity. Also, strong storm damage young crop plants. So it causes auto accidents. So because they can reduce visibility to near zero, so it make traveling difficulties. So it causes auto accident and also it affecting aircraft transportation. Also it causes serious problem for airplanes. That means it causes mechanical problem in the airplanes. So these are the some of the causes effects of sandstorm. So prevention method. So how we can prevent the sandstorm? To control the dust rising factor, increasing and vegetation more plants and also plant more native plants and trees. These are the some of the prevention methods of sandstorm. So the next one, landslide. A landslide is a large amount of rock, mud, soil, and other material that flow down a steep slope. It is highly destructive as it buries and sweeps everything in its path. So, landslide is a geometrical phenomena. It defined as the movement of mass of rock debris on the earth down a slope. So, what are the causes of landslide? There are mainly two causes of landslide. One is natural causes, the next one is human activities. So, natural causes are heavy rain and flood, earthquake shaking, volcano eruption, changes in the groundwater level. These are the some of the natural causes of landslides. So, human activity also causes landslides. So, they are deforestation and cultivation, legal and illegal mining, and heavy traffic. So, due to heavy traffic also the landslide will happen because vibration from the machineries and movement of the heavy vehicle causes landslides. These are the some of the causes of human activity. So, effect of landslides. Loss of life. It loses human, animals and plants' life and damage to property. Injured and trapped persons near the landslides damages roadways and railways. Also, it will affect river path. Broken water lines and other groundwater utility lines. These are the some of the effects of landslides. So, this disaster causes confusions and changes our lives for years. So, how we can prevent the landslide? Retaining walls. Maintain and as much as vegetation as is possible to slope to help retain the soils. Avoid construct building those hazard areas. Also, don't add additional water from the down spot to slope, and don't put yard waste on the slope. These are the some of the prevention methods of landslides. So, this class we have discussed about sandstorm landslides. So, your homework is write the causes of landslide and its effects. Write the homework in your homework note and post it in Google Classroom. Okay, children? Avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after the session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also, go out playing in the evening. Also, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in a next session. Bye children. Thank you.